Let us see about the right join now. Right join. Let me copy this. So if you are running a right join, so you will get all the values from your right table. You get all the values from the right table, and whatever condition you have applied, suppose you have applied the condition on the matching column, that is name. So here it will check the member ID for the committee ID 1, that is John. So the member ID will be 1. So here member ID will be 1. Member ID will be 1. And for Mary, the member ID, you can see for Mary the member ID will be 3 here, and for Amila the member ID will be 5, and for Joe there is no matching record here. Then here you get a null value. Null value. So I'm not taking the correct order. So first you may get a member ID, and then you may get a name, then you get a committee ID, and then you may get a committee name, and so on. So let us apply the right join. So if I want to show you the Venn diagram for the right join, so you will get all the values from the right table and the matching values from the both tables. So let us apply the right join for the same tables. So here I'll be using select from the members table, that is your left table, as member table as M, and left right join on right join, that is your right table committee table as C, on the matching column, that is M dot name is equal to C dot name. And here I'm going to select the column names. So just to save some time, I'll be copying the same line of code from here. Copy this and paste it here. So let me run this now. So you can see you got the all records from the right table. You can see all records from the right table, and from the left table only the matching one, that is 135, are visible. So this is how the right join works.